fortunate to say that we are not in such a big crisis in terms of our structure. We have a working team that has been working since last year, 2010, building up the project. Of course, we are nervous about the crisis, the overall crisis that is targeting the country, but our financing is guaranteed, and the part that is supposed to come yet from the Ministry of Culture. The focus group that is full-time working for the project is about 10 people. 500, that's the round number.
It was success. With the money we had not a lot of problems. We had problems with the preparing the influences. It was also a very heavy fight.
Political influences.
Political too, and other influences. And but in the middle of, or in 2009, middle of 2009, the situation was calmed. It was fixed, and we could start with really preparing of the project, and to have a very clear aims, and to go forward. It works just on this way.
Of course, it was a very successful story. We had an increase in tourism of 13%. We had lots of investments because of the capital of culture. This is very important, that economy and cultural work really is close together. This is one of our most important experiences. So, and this is tremendous, and I think also for Maribor, it's a tremendous chance to bring Maribor on the European map. Our experience was fantastic. So I really wish you good luck, and that all politicians really come together, not talking about party politics. Very important. It's not about party politics. It's about the whole country. And don't let the cultural workers do their work. Don't influence from the political side. Let them do what they think.